You have to get the curb appeal. You have to get the fresh coat of paint. If the roof is over 10 years old, you have to maybe fix, change the roof, HVAC system. There's so many things. It's such a heavy burden now to be a homeowner where you have to keep up with all of the repairs in the home. With this option, my investors are buying as is. That's why we take into account the condition of the home. That's why we do an inspection of the property. My investors know that they're buying the home as is. So once the investor purchases the home, they now officially become the landlord. They're the ones that are, keeping up with the yard, they're keeping up with the repairs. So now it's a more conventional, you're the renter, they're the landlord, and you don't have to worry about it. Again, this all comes back to the source of what we're looking to give you: peace of mind and stability.